Honestly, what I learned is that we all have mga, like, criteria, meron tayong mga gusto, we make a list of things we want in a man. But then when you fall in love, nawawala na lahat yun eh.
Minsan
Kumbaga,
kabaliktaran pa.
Yeah, minsan kabaliktaran pa. So it's basically what's meant to happen. And one thing na I realized, which is quite funny that this is the topic today, a few weeks ago, last month, I finally realized, I said, I don't have any specifics anymore of what I want in a man. All I want is someone who's God-fearing and close to God. Because I think as long as he is close to the Lord, everything else follows na eh. Ugali, mamahal.
I get that.
Yeah.
Sa backstage, naghahanap din sila ng tipo kong lalaki at sumasabay sa ating palabas dito. Mas malalakas pa ang kanilang boses. Ikaw, Cheska.
Me naman, I believe there's no Mr. Perfect, or nobody's perfect.
Right.
But I believe there's a Mr. Right.
There's a Mr. Right.
Yeah, there's a
And Mr. Right is a combination of perfect and imperfect.
Maybe, it may be something that close to what you like, but not exactly.
Right.
And
I think that's the whole challenge.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the whole excitement.
Yeah, because I'm with someone who I believe is Mr. Right, but there are still some things that that I still don't agree with.
Correct.
But I'm happy because at least he's the right one for me.
Yan ang buhay.
Yeah.
Abay, kaibigan, meron tayong mga sorpresa para sa ating mga panauhin. Narito po, panoorin natin ang mensahe ng dalawang lalaking humahabol sa isang dalagita, Kiss City. Panoorin po natin ito.
Hi City, sobrang na-admire kita because of your spiritual faith. And when I first met you, I felt like I was in love again for the first time. I know you're busy, pero sana maging close pa tayo. God bless.
The first time we met, niyaya mo agad ako sumayaw. And I have to be honest, hindi talaga ako marunong sumayaw. I only have one dream, to dance samba with you. And I hope it will come in our wedding day. So sana kung naghahanap ka ng right guy for you, sana makita mo yun sa akin.
Brian, nasa Kasidens, kaibigan, ay parehong nanliligaw kay City. Anong nais mong sabihin, City?
Nasashock ako. Sobra.
Okay.
Kasi si Arvin, I've always thought of Arvin as a friend. No, I never knew that meron siyang like feelings of that sort for me.
Aba, talaga.
Totoo.
The first time I saw you again,
Oo
I
nga.
fell in love.
Oo nga.
Nanligaw on national television.
Sobra. Walang tatalo doon, ha?
Walang tatalo.
As of now, wala pa magta-top doon.
Wala pa. Ang ibig sabihin ba niyan ay may pag-asa?
I'm not closing my doors on anyone. I'm open to, to
Okay, to both of them, what would you like to tell them?
Maraming salamat sa kanilang dalawa. And I appreciate the sweet gestures. As in, I really do. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat. Kakaiba ang ngiti, oh. Samantala, kaibigan, narito pa ang isang nanliligaw sa isang, nanliligaw lamang yan. Dahil Inglesero. Panoorin po natin ito.
Take it go all the way down.
Hi, baby.